In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the title on Facebook Marketplace. If you've listed an item on Facebook Marketplace but realize you need to tweak the title a bit, don't worry. It's actually a straightforward process and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, you'll want to open up your web browser of choice and direct yourself to Facebook's website. Once you're logged in, navigate your way to the Facebook Marketplace. You'll see the Marketplace icon, typically located on the left-hand sidebar of your homepage. You'll want to go ahead and click on that. Once inside the Marketplace, look towards the left-hand menu and find the section labeled Selling. Clicking here will show you a list of all the items you have up for sale. This is a handy place to keep track of your listings. Now, what you're going to do is locate the specific listing for which you want to change the title. Once you've found it, look for the three-dot button usually found next to your listing. Clicking on these three dots will reveal additional options. Among these options, you should see Edit Listing. Go ahead and click on Edit Listing to proceed. This action will take you to a new screen where you can modify various details about your listing. Your focus here is the title of the listing, so look for the title field specifically. This is where you'll enter the new title for your item. When thinking of a new title, make sure it's clear and descriptive enough to catch the eye of potential buyers. Highlight the key features that make your item stand out. After you've entered your updated title, look for the Update button. You'll want to click on Update to save the changes you've made. This step ensures that your changes are recorded and your listing reflects your new title. Finally, it's always a good idea to verify that your changes have been applied. You can do this by going back to your list of active listings and checking to see if the new title is displayed correctly. This confirmation step gives you peace of mind that everything is as it should be. And there you have it, you've successfully updated the title of your Facebook Marketplace listing. Remember that keeping your listing information up to date and accurate is crucial for attracting interest from potential buyers. If you need to make further changes in the future, you now have the know-how to do so with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on Facebook Marketplace.